Hello everyone, this is Manish and today we are going to learn about different types of engines that we have in SAP HANA. How each engine will process the execution of modeling object or native SQL statement and database level. Okay, so these are the different engines available in HANA database to process model executions. Join engine, OLAP engine, calculation engine, row engine, and SQL engine. See, the first join engine, it's basically used when some tables are joined. Okay, so if I am joining two tables, at that moment of time, join engine will be used, and it's for attribute views. Okay, and when we are working on attribute views, OLAP engine is used. System uses OLAP engine when we are working with analytic views. Okay, calculation engine is used when any calculation is done on any of the views. Okay, so any of the views means if we are doing some calculation in attribute views, then it will use join engine as well as calculation engine. Same in analytical views, if we are doing any apart from if there are any calculation done over there, then it will use calculation engine as well. Even in SQL statements, so if we are working on a SQL statement where we are using select, so if we are using only select, then it will use SQL engine. If we are doing select plus we're joining any table, it will use join engine, and if we are doing any calculation, it will use calculation engine. So from SP9, I think so, the SAP has introduced this thing that we have the option for calculation view in properties section, that we have an option to choose calculation view to run in SQL engine. Advantage of that option is that instead of moving data between multiple engine, HANA executes the entire script in SQL engine in the final result. Okay, so I think so that's all we should know. So, as a conclusion, okay, row engine, whenever we perform operations on row tables, then row engine is used. Okay, so as a conclusion, I can say that join engine used for attribute views and when we are joining two tables. OLAP engine used for analytical views. Calculation engine used if there are any calculation done in any of the views. SQL engine when we are executing SQL statements, and row engine when we are working with row tables. Thank you everyone, that's all for this tutorial. We'll catch up in the next tutorial.